Welcome members. In today's lesson, today we are going to see how is the new curriculum helping the Ugandan citizen. So don't forget please to subscribe to the channel. Now, here we are going to see how do you apply the LCM and HCF, especially using the new curriculum. Personally, I like the new curriculum because it allows our kids to think outside the box. Now, a room measures 5 centimeters by 20 centimeters. This is the sketch. Find the length of the largest square tiles, a largest square tile that can be used to cover the floor. Now, here you see the room you want to now, assume you have constructed your room, now you want to fill the floor with the tiles. Meaning, you don't want to bring in excess tiles. So, I want to know the largest length of the square tile that is going to fit here and also fit in the width. Now, that means the length of that tile should be dividing the length and also the width. In simple terms, that calls for the highest common factor of these two numbers. So, to do that, you know how we get it. HCF, so we construct a depot for these two. So we have 420, then 540. Now we know we are going to consider only prime numbers, which are 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. So we say the first prime number is 2. Is 2 dividing any of this? Yes. Now, this number that we are considering should be dividing both this and this. So, by 2, here we are having 210. By 2, here we are having 270. You see that? You ask yourself, is 2 still dividing both? Yes. So, by 2, here we divide this by 2, we are having, you get your calculator, 210 divided by 2, that's 105. Then this side, divide this by 2, you get 135. Now you ask yourself, is 2 dividing these two? No. Then you go to the next prime number, which is the 3. By 3, you pull out your calculator, you say 105 divided by 3, you get 35. Then by 3, the other side, you get 45. Still the same. Is the 3 still dividing any of the 2? No. But it's not dividing this, but it's not dividing both, so we don't consider that. The number should be dividing both. So, by 5, the next prime number is 5. By 5, here I get 7. By 5, here I get 9. Now you start, you don't have any number except the 1 that is dividing these 2. Meaning that now, my highest common factor here is going to be 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, 2, 5 times 3, that's 15, times 2, that's 30, times 2, that is 60. Or you can pull out your calculator and just press them on the calculator. Now, this means that the length of the square tile we want is this. Assume this is the square tile that we have. It's going to be a square tile. So its length is going to be 60 centimeters. So this is our square tile that we are going to use. So you have seen that the length that is going to divide both 540 and 420 is going to be 60 centimeters. So the length of this is 60 because it's square, even this is 60. Now, I've got the length, the largest length of the square to be used. So the square is of 60 centimeters by 60 centimeters. Now, assuming now you're a student and then your mom asks you, if I'm going to use a 60 by 60 square tile to cover the room, the floor of the room of 540 centimeters by 420 centimeters, find the exact number of tiles I need. Now, because you're a student, all the graduates for now of new curriculum with LCM and HCF, you can tell your mom that how many, you can ask yourself that, how many 60 centimeters are going to be in 540? What you do, you get 60 divided by this. When you get 60 divided by this, you see that in the length, you are going to use 9 times. When you get this divided by 60. So, the number of times I need in the length, I'm going to say, I'll get the length of the room over the length of the square tile, which is 60. You see that this will be giving me 9 tiles. So here I'm going to use 9 tiles. What about in the width? In the width, I'll get the length of the width of the room, which is 420, divided by the width of the tile. But the width of the tile is also 60. And this is going to give me 7 tiles. Meaning, I'll tell my mom that in the length we shall need 7 tiles, then in the width we shall need 9 tiles. Now, I want to know the actual number. To know the actual number and meaning what area they are going to cover, because this is going to be the area they are going to cover. So, now the total number is going to be the ones I'm going to use in the length, they are 9, times the ones I'm going to use in the width, which are 7, and this I think is giving you 63 tiles. So you tell your mom that, mom, all we need are 63 square tiles or more, 60 centimeters each. Then you have like that. So the total number of tiles you need is 63. Now, they also ask you, if each tile costs 20,000, how much money do you need? How much do you need? Now, all we do, we know that our number of tiles, the number of tiles we need is 63. But each tile is 20,000 shillings. Meaning that the total amount of money, the total amount will be, I'll get the tiles I want, they are 63, then times the cost of each, which is 20,000, then this will be the amount. I think when you multiply here, you get 6, then this and this you get 120, then this 2 4 0 0 0 0 0. So you tell your mom, mom, don't waste time. All we need is 1,260,000. So please, that's how we apply the HCF. I like the new curriculum, it's really good.